Hi, it's Fran. I was having a little fun crafting and I wanted to show you how to make these little ornament hats. Okay, you'll need a toilet paper roll and go through your yarn stash, which was one of the best parts. And you'll want to cut your yarn to 12 inches. So the best way to do that is to get some cardboard, and this is 6 inches, and we'll wrap it around loosely and then cut it. So to keep it loose, just unspool a lot so that it's not pulling with tension. Now it takes, depending on the thickness of your yarn, it takes about 40 strands to make one hat, and you can do 2 colors or all in one color. Okay, so once you get your strands, I don't have 40, I'm just showing you. You stop at the top and you'll snip it off from your spool. And then you're just going to want to cut right. Sorry. So that you have your strands. So we'll sit those there. Okay, so here I'm going to do a red and gray this time. So spool some off. Just going to wrap loosely so that it's not pulling. Okay. Again, you'll keep wrapping or have as many of that color as you want. Snip and have your strands. Now you're going to need a little ring from your toilet paper roll. These are about 3/4 inch. Press it flat and then snip. And there you have your little ring to work with. So, to put your yarn on, all you do is you take your one strand, you have it folded in half, you put that through your loop, like so, and then put your ends through your yarn loop. And just give it a little pull, not too tight, but so I made these by alternating 3 of each color. So again, you fold it in half through your paper and put the ends through the loop. So do one more in the gray. Again, you do you. If you want to do your hat all one color, do your hat all one color. If you want two of gray or two of one color and two of the other color, make your own pattern. So then just start with the next color, the same thing, put it through. Oops. Adjust it down there, and you've got a good start on your hat. Now, once you get it all done, this one here I did in a green and off-white. Now we have two options on how you might want to make your hat. If you'd like to make it like a stocking cap like that, and then you could put a little pom-pom on it, or a bell even. Then you would tie it off here. And we're just going to use one of the strands of the same color. You would tie it off, and then you're going to twist that up in, and that is going to make the filling for your stocking cap. But I'm not going to do that with this one. I want to show you the pom-pom. So we are going to have it loose. Push that through. So now through, and get it brushed down neat. We're going to tie that off now. Just about an inch up for the hat part, and then we're going to trim it to make the pom-pom. So you see here, I laid it over my string, and now I'm just pull it really tight. So we'll snip those that we tied with the same length as the others. And now, to give it a little filling up in the hat, we're just going to shove, you can either use, there's cotton balls you could put in there, or just a Kleenex will work great. That'll give the hat some filling. So we'll tidy it up there, make sure we're good and tight. And now we'll cut our top more pom-pom shape. I tried to just trim it a little shorter at the bottom and go round like a pom-pom. There we go. Now you can hang that with string or even just one of the little metal Christmas hooks. I hope you found that helpful and fun. These are some hats I finished up while I was watching TV. They're easy to do. Be good to do with kids too. Lots of steps they could do. So until the next video, have fun crafting.